Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Hawkeye Firefly Q6 4K 120 degree angle action camera. This one is black color from Gearbest. I've got this around the end of November 2016, so I've been using this for a while now, and I don't use it on my quadcopter because I don't fly with an action camera. So I have used this as my head cam. So some of the videos that you see of line of sight quad footages from this camera. So far this camera has been good, and the colors are alright. The battery time is only around 1 hour. So other than that, is quite good, and I've dropped this many times, and I usually drop it on a hard floor in my house. So for the last few times after I dropped it, it didn't power up. So yesterday I dropped it again on the top here, and it just didn't power up anymore. So I decided to open up and see what happened. So basically you can see that from on here, the battery is connected by a very small wire soldered to this point. So that's why when you drop hard, it will pull on this wire and you pull it out, and that's why this one decided to die on me, because the positive wire came out. So I think it should be a quick fix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this wire a bit and resolder, and then put it back on, and it should fix the problem. So other than this power connection problem, this camera is pretty good, and currently it's on flash sale on Gearbest. So if you want to use this for your quadcopter, I think it's worth the money to buy it now. Also, you can use it on a fixed wing aeroplane. For me, I don't use it on any quadcopter or fixed wing. I use it as a head cam. So I'm going to go and fix this, and I'll come back see whether I have fixed the problem. So there are 4 screws. Externally you have 2 screws here, and then internally you have 2 screws here. So you have to take the internal shorter screw out so that you can then lift this board a little bit so you can access to this solder point. And just be careful when you're lifting up, because this screen is connected here and by a ribbon connector, so be careful about that when you open this up. So I'll come back and see whether I can fix this problem. So as you can see from the video, I can now turn this on after I fixed it. And I also have a very short 11 seconds video footage to show you that I've already fixed this camera. And you can see that the camera itself is still intact except for the battery. And when I connect this to my laptop through USB, it still connects. So this camera overall is good. It can withstand drops, but except for the battery wires. So just remember that if you drop it and if it doesn't power up anymore, it's probably because of the battery wire being cut off. So you just open it up and fix it accordingly. So just be careful not to drop this on hard surfaces too often. And I've dropped this many times, even from the front of the lens like that, and it's still alright. So overall this camera is good, and it's cheap, and you won't be scared of using this in the field if you put it on your quadcopter, because it's not like $100, $200 camera, and you can still get a decent footage out of this camera. So this is basically a review and also a repair video for this Firefly camera, and hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.